Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be learning how to draw an isometric drawing in Autocad software. So in order to do that, you require some of the prerequisites. You should be good at 2D commands of Autocad and as well as the modify commands. This video only deals with what are the necessary settings that are to be made to the current workspace so that we can easily able to draw an isometric drawing. And this particular video lecture will not deals with any other basic commands related to 2D drawing. It primarily focus on isometric drawing. So first let me open a figure and let me show you what is an isometric drawing. Here on the screen you can see it is an isometric drawing. It is a simple machine part, and why I have chosen this particular drawing because it consisting of almost all operation of an isometric drawing. For that reason we'll be drawing this. You can able to see that it is a 2D drawing but it appears as a 3D. We can able to see that by just changing the view. If I change the view from top view to any other view, any other corner view, then you can see that it is a 2D object. Purpose of an isometric drawing is to represent a 3D object on a 2D plane. So let us start and draw a shape like this, and let us see what are the things that are to be did while drawing. So first what I'll be doing, I'll be opening a new file. When you go for a new file, you will be getting a select template. In that you need to select ACAD. ACAD is a template in which there is nothing is predefined layout, so that regularly I should not go on doing the same thing. Once I have created a template, then I can select that and I can go on reuse that particular template. So for this instance, I am selecting only a blank template ACAD and I am saying open. Once you have opened this, the first command what you need to type units, and then I need to select insertion scale as a millimeter, decimal, and I'll be setting precision 0.0. Then I'll be saying OK. Then I'll be typing limits, and it will be asking specify the lower left corner. I'll be saying 0, 0, and when it is saying upper right corner, I'll be saying 297, 210. That are the standard size of an A4 drawing sheet. Next what I'll be doing, I'll be making this grid off. By clicking this grid on the lower status bar, you will be finding all this as a system variables. You can click this and you can turn it off. And then right now you can see that by default we are in orthographic view. You can see our crosshair is parallel to the screen. Now if I click this particular option here, isometric drafting, right now it is off. If I click this, it will be getting turned on. You can also see that this particular icon has been highlighted. Now you can see that the crosshair has been changed its horizontal line, and also by pressing F5 I can change the orientation of this particular crosshair. You can see that. So right now I am in isoplane right and left, and right now I am in isoplane top. Now what is the use of this? We'll be knowing when we'll be drawing the figure. So now let us start, and let me keep my orientation of this crosshair in an isoplane top, and I'll be taking a line command. Then first, by using a mouse at a convenient point, I'll be making a click, and also I'll be turn on my ortho. Also you can press F8, or else you can click this particular button or icon. Now I'll be giving this value as 100. Okay, if at all the line is going beyond our view, then you just press escape, press zoom all, then hold the mouse button, drag it to your convenient view position, and then again you type line command. Now press enter for twice. Sorry. Now you can see that the line will be starting from where we have ended. Now I'll be giving this as a 200, this as 100, and again this. See, what I am doing regularly, I am guiding the direction of a line by using mouse, and by keyboard I am giving the input value of the length of the line. Next, again I'll be taking the line command. I'll be pressing escape and I'll be taking again line command. Now I'll be selecting this point, selecting this end point, and also you can notice that whenever I am selecting a point, it is been highlighted with a green symbol. That can be did by means of an object snap. If this is not on, then you will be not finding that. Okay, so the main purpose of this particular system variable is to locate different points on objects here, coins, different elements like line, circle and all these things. Now here I'll be pressing F5 to change to isoplane right. I'll be coming down by 100. I'll be going towards the right by 200. I'll be coming up by 100. Okay, now once I have did this, again I'll be taking a line command. I'll be selecting this end point. I'll be pressing F5 to change. Now I am in isoplane left. I'll be coming down by 100, and this one will be also 100. Once we have drawn this block, then we need to start drawing all these details. Like here you can see on the top face there is a rectangular deep hole, and also on the other side there is a circular hole. So first we will be drawing these two, later on we will be drawing these two details. So another one thing you can notice here, since it is, here you can see that this particular rectangular hole is at a distance of 30 from here, and it is at a distance of 20 from this side. So what I'll be doing here, I'll be taking a line command. I'll be selecting this corner point and I'll be coming down, or I'll be coming in this direction by 20, and I'll be pressing F5 to go to the isoplane top, and I'll be coming down by 30. Once I have got this, then I'll be giving this distance as 30 and this distance as 40, and I'll be going by 30 here, I'll be doing 40 here. Okay. So I'll be doing 40 here. Once I have drawn this, then these lines are not needed, so I can select this and press delete so that we can erase those lines. Next I'll be taking again line command, and I'll be selecting this corner point, and I'll be pressing F5 to change to isoplane right, and I'll be coming down by 20. Once I have drawn this, then I'll be taking a copy command. The shortcut for copy command is CO. I can select these two lines here, press enter. Now you select this end point here and move your mouse and click this end point of this particular line. Now once we have drawn this, then we can trim this extra line by using trim command. Shortcut is TR, and I can select these two lines as a reference, press enter. Now you select these lines so that they will be getting trimmed. And now by this way you can able to draw this particular rectangular deep hole whose dimensions are, this one is 40, this one is 30, and depth is Now the next detail is we need to draw this circular hole, and the center of this particular circle, which is at the top face, is at a distance of 50 from this side and 50 from this side. So now what I'll be doing, I'll be changing my plane to isoplane top by pressing F5. I'll be taking a line command. Simple, I'll be making this corner and I'll be going the distance by 50. I'll be coming down by another 50, so that once I have drawn this, I can able to locate the center point of the circle. Now I could not able to, once we have located this center point, I need to draw a circle. But as per the principle of isometric drawing, if there is any circular detail in an isometric drawing, it appears as an ellipse. So even in manual drafting, what we'll be doing, if we want to represent a hole or circular details, we'll be drawing an ellipse by using 4 center method. So here also we need to draw an ellipse, which actually is a circle. So if I take a circle command and if I draw from this center point, now you will be getting a circle which is parallel to the screen. So we can't able to use this circle command here. What I need to use, I need to use an ellipse command, and that too I need to select this option iso circle, and I need to select this. Once we have drawn this, now I need to use an ellipse command. Shortcut is EL. I'll be using iso circle in that, and then I'll be selecting the center point, and I'll be selecting diameter to define the diameter, and I'll be giving 40. Once I have drawn this circle on this top face, now I need to use copy command. Select this particular circle what I have drawn. Now select the center point of the circle, change the isoplane to isoplane right, and give a depth of 20. Once we have drawn this, you can select these lines what you have drawn earlier for locating the center point of this circle. Now go for a trim command. Select the top circle as a reference. Now select the bottom circle so that it will be getting trim. So like that I can able to draw a cylindrical hole, that is a deep hole of 20 on the top face. And in the next, what we need to do, we need to draw a rectangular extended profile here. You can see, if we go back to our drawing, here it is exactly at the middle. First what I'll be doing, I'll be drawing 2 lines, horizontal and vertical, from the midpoints of this side to locate the midpoint of this particular face, and then I'll be constructing this particular, and you just have a note of this. This is 80 and this is 40. So I'll be taking a line command, and I'll be keeping my isoplane parallel to this face, that is iso right. Select the midpoint and draw a line. Once I have drawn this, again I'll be taking line command. Now since object snap is on, I could be able to locate the midpoint of the horizontal line what I have drawn earlier. I can select this. I will be moving here by 40, and I'll be going top by 20. Again I'll be going this side by 80, and I will be closing this point. Now you can see this, and then I have drawn this. Then I can select this center line and I can delete this. Now I can go for a copy command, select all these lines, press enter. Now select the space point as this one, change the isometric plane to iso left 40. So give 40. Once I have drawn this, now I'll be taking a line command and I'll be selecting this end points. I'll be joining this end points. Okay, then I'll be going for a trim command. First I'll be selecting these lines as a reference, press enter. Now select this line to get trim. Next I'll be selecting this line and I'll be deleting this, and I'll be also deleting. Like this I can able to create this particular detail. And in a similar way, what I can do, I can draw a diagonal line from here to this corner. Then I can able to construct an ellipse by using isocircle. I can able to draw an isocircle here, and then I can copy that to my required point, and then I can able to join this. So that one detail I'll be giving you as an assignment. And also you can see in this particular figure, this corner has been rounded, that is called as a fillet. So how to perform this? Here you can see that how you can perform this. Just what I need to do, I need to go for fillet command by typing F, and then I need to select radius, and fillet radius is 30. Now you simply select these two lines, then what happens, that will be getting round. Similarly you do for this side, this corner sides, then you select this line and press delete. Now you select a line command and you select the end point of this particular rounded corner. Again I will be selecting this end point, and I can able to draw, so that you can able to represent this turn. Okay, so this one detail is an assignment, and hope you can take a screenshot of this and you can try to draw this particular detail, and also you can go for the dimension. Thank you.